card, letter. Today going to do letter O. Where is O? Letter O. Okay, take out the letter O. Okay. Okay, I want all of you take out the letter O. Okay, O for what class? Letter O for octavus. Okay, O for octavus. Okay, octavus. So first we all cut first. Okay, before we cut, what we do? Color. Okay, we color. So you have to color what color? Okay, you have to see here first. Okay, this one is what letter? O, right? So O is what color? Blue. Okay, this one is all is blue color. Okay, wait class. Okay, I want all of you take out blue color. You see this one is all blue, right? The octopus. Okay, you see the O, all this one is blue color. So you have to color. Okay, you see first on class, you have to color this one, this one, this one, this one, this. Okay, this all you color blue. The eyes no need to color anything. Okay, this one is tentacles. Okay, you can see this one is tentacles. So you tentacles you need to color blue. And the letter O also blue color. Okay, you color first class, tentacles and the letter O. Blue color. Okay. So you have to color the letter O. Okay, color this blue, class, blue color. Okay, you see class. Please color properly. You see the picture. The eyes you don't need to color anything. Okay, just color the letter O and the tentacles. Okay. Okay, please color properly class. Okay, the eyes no need to color. Puya color the eyes. Color letter O and the tentacles. Got 8 tentacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 8 tentacles. So you have to color the blue. You see how they color. Okay, the tentacles also blue. Okay, the O you color inside. Outside no need. Inside no need to color. Outside only you color. Okay. Please color properly class the letter O for octopus. Okay, later you finish color, teacher will say what is octopus. Octopus is what? Okay, you color first blue color, letter O for octopus. Okay, color first, okay. Okay, please color properly, blue color, class. Okay. The eyes no need to color anything, just color the tentacles. Okay, eyes no need to color anything. Blue color, okay, we color the octopus blue color. Okay, blue color. So nice. Okay, you color like this, blue, okay, blue color. Okay, blue color. You okay, after you color ready, wait first, teacher now you color. Okay, wait first.
Wait, teacher.
Okay, after you color ready, it should look like this. Okay, eyes don't color anything at first. Okay, eyes no need to color first. Okay, just color this tentacles. This one is tentacles. Okay, we call tentacles. Okay, tentacles. So after you color, I want you take the scissor, you cut. Okay, you cut first. Okay, you cut all and you put down first. Abby. Okay, after you color, now I want your color ready. Take your scissor first. Okay. Abby, nice Abby. Okay, now you take your scissor, you cut out this one. Okay, you cut all. Okay. Now you take your scissor first. Okay, take out your scissor, you cut all. Letter O. This one is tentacles. Tentacles. This one is eyes. Okay, eyes. So you cut all. Okay, class. Okay, ask your mommy, daddy to cut for you. Okay, you have to cut the letter O. Okay, you cut first. Okay, class. Don't cut faster. Teacher wait for you. Okay, you slowly cut. Okay. Now you see O. O look like this. This one don't cut anything. O is like you cut the O like this. Okay. O. Sekarang punya cut, just cut this one enough. Then you cut the tentacles. Okay, when you cut, you see this one, the tentacles. You see the line you cut. Okay. Okay, wait teacher also cutting Okay, the eyes also must cut but eyes don't color anything just cut only first. Later we use the black color marker, we decorate the eyes. Okay, octopus eyes. Okay, after you cut ready, it look like this class. This. Can see? Like this. Okay, it's like this. Then you cut ready, got 8 tentacles. This one we call tentacles. Okay, tentacles. 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 Okay, this one is tentacles class. Okay, now you take your glue. Okay, all of glue, right? Okay, I want all of you take out your glue first. Okay. Okay, you have to see the picture. You see how they paste these tentacles. Okay, you take this one is letter O, right? So you have to paste the tentacles over here. Okay, start from here. 1, 2, okay, 3. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you see. You see how they follow. You see this picture, the octopus. Okay, the tentacles you must follow. Start from behind. So you put the glue behind first. Cannot put in front. Put the glue behind. Okay. Okay, all of you put your glue first. Okay, don't put too much of glue, put little bit only. If you put lot, later the paper will be dirty one. So you put little bit glue enough. Later the paper will be dirty. So when you put the glue, you put little bit, okay? Then you take and paste, okay? Okay, this one the shape, the got one shape, right? So the shape must be down. This one is up. Okay, you cannot like this, the shape must be down. Okay, like this. Okay, you see this shape should be down. Okay, this shape cannot be up. Cannot like this. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. Hey, class, can you see teacher one like this? You paste. Can see or not teacher one, okay? This one got one shape, this shape should be over here one, this one is one should be like this, okay? Can see a class like this, got shape right, so you follow, okay? Yes, can is correct. It's like that, okay? Okay, wait first, teacher doing, teacher also doing, okay? Class, can you see teacher one? It's like look like this, octopus, okay? After you put the glue, you paste, you have to decorate the eyes, okay? You can use the marker or you want to use black color pencil also can, okay? Okay, class, can see teacher one? You see, Xuan, Abby like this, okay? After you paste these tentacles, okay? This one we call tentacles. Tentacles, okay? Tentacles. Okay, after you paste, okay, you must paste like this, class. This one is like this. Got two shape like this, right? Like this. Okay, after you paste, you decorate. Okay, you decorate the eyes. Okay, you can use the black color marker or you want to use color pencil, black color pencil also can. Very nice, Abby, very nice. Okay, this one we call octopus, okay? Okay, this one the eyes, the octopus eyes. Okay, octopus got eyes, right? Like that. Okay. So you decorate the eyes. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, the eyes, This one is octopus. Okay, octopus. Octopus is what? Octopus is small. Octopus is one animal, Okay, wait first. Okay, teacher will tell what is octopus. Okay. Okay, this one is teacher one. Teacher one done this one. Now teacher want to put the eyes. Okay. Okay, can you see teacher one? Octopus, okay? Okay, this one we call octopus, okay? Octopus got the eyes and this one we call tentacles, okay? Tentacles. Okay, tentacles are like this. Okay, can see? Okay, like this, the shape like this. Okay, this one is the eyes. Okay, this one we call octopus. Octopus is one animal. Okay, you can see in the sea. Okay, you can see in the water. Okay, got a lot of tentacles. Okay, and octopus got many. Octopus is big or small? Octopus got big one. Octopus got big, got small. Okay, you can see in. Yes, Xuan. Cannot hear what? Okay, where you can see octopus? Octopus you can see where? You can see in the sea. Okay, you can see in the river, you can see in the sea. You can see in the sea, yes. So octopus got how many tentacles? This one is tentacles. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 tentacles. Okay, 8. Octopus got many color. Okay, you can see different color of octopus. Got big one, small one. Okay, octopus. Okay, octopus inside the water. Okay, like this inside the water. Okay, you can see the octopus inside the water move. It can move. Okay, it can move. Okay, the octopus can move inside the water. Like this. Okay, octopus can move. Okay, this one is water. Okay, octopus go inside. Okay, now the octopus come out. It can move. Okay, it can inside the sea. Okay, you can see lot of octopus. Okay, octopus is a sea animal. Okay, octopus is a sea animal with a soft rounded body. Okay. Octopus got soft. Octopus, when you touch the octopus, the body is very soft. Okay, very soft one. Okay, soft and got 8 long tentacles. Okay. Can understand class? Octopus. Octopus. This one is octopus. Okay. Octopus is a sea animal. Okay, you can see in the sea, it move. Got 8. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, octopus you say Chinese is 仓子，对吗？仓子，仓子。This one is you say in Chinese is 仓子。Zhang, C-Z-H-A-N-G, Zhang, Y-U. Correct or wrong? Zhangzi, 对吗这个 Why you say this one octopus in Chinese? Zhangzi, right? Zhangzi, right? Zhang Yi, correct. Zhang Yi. You say octopus in Chinese is Zhang Yi. This one is Zhang Yi. Okay, octopus. Okay. So you can write. You can write in Chinese. Okay, you can write your name. Okay, you want to write the octopus name in Chinese also can. Zhang what? Zhang Lua. You want to write Chinese also can. You want to write octopus over here so you can. Then you know this one. Oh, this one is octopus. I like to see the octopus. Do you like to see octopus? Yes, I like. I like to see the octopus. When I go to the sea, I can see lot of octopus. I can take photo. Okay, I can see the octopus play inside the water. Okay, I want you write your name, class. Write your name, Xuan Xuan. You write your name, Abby. Write your name, Then you know this one is yours one. Okay. Okay, you want to write your name in front also can, or you want to write your name behind also can. You see where you want to write. Okay. You want to write over here also can, your name. Yeah, also can, you can write. Okay, can you see teacher one? Okay, teacher draw one line now, like use the marker, make a line, okay? Okay, this one is what class? This one is louder. This one is what class? This one is octobus. Okay, octobus. Okay. How to spell octopus? O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Yes, octopus. This one is octopus. Okay? O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Okay? You can see over here, circle octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Okay? This one now, octopus. O-C-T-U-P-U-S, octopus. Okay, octopus. Okay, you can see the octopus in the sea. Okay, it move. It inside the water. It move. Okay, this one is octopus. Okay, you like to see octopus or not? Who like octopus? You like Shen? You like octopus?
No, she did not.
Okay, this one is octopus. Okay, octopus got very smooth one, very soft. Okay, this one is we call a sea animal. Okay, a sea animal. The body. Okay, you see the body. It's round or not? You see the octopus. The body is round like a circle. Okay, like a circle. Okay, octopus only circle one. Other the animal is different shape, but the octopus only O shape. Okay, O shape, octopus. Okay, O for octopus. The shape also like circle. You see, circle, round, big, right? Like that. This one we call tentacles. Tentacles. Okay, tentacles. Okay, this one we call tentacles. Okay, octopus. Okay, we see the octopus in the sea, different color. You see green, you see purple color, then you see pink color. Some more you go see octopus is lot of color. Okay, octopus got lot of color, got big, got small. Okay, like that, octopus. Yes, octopus got big one, got small one. Okay. Then teacher will share you the video about octopus. Okay. Then you will see what is octopus. Octopus is small. Okay. What is the function of the octopus? Okay. The eyes big or small? Octopus eyes big or small? Big, right? The octopus eyes is very big. Okay, it's not as small. Okay, the baby octopus is very small one, very small. Mommy and daddy octopus is big one. Okay, big one like this, very big. So this one you can show to your mommy, daddy. You see, mommy, this one is octopus. See, I can do like this. I can move. Okay, I can go down. I can go up. I can shake. Okay, I can swim. You see, the octopus can swim or not? See, now the octopus is swimming. Okay, swimming inside the water. Swimming. Okay. This one we call octopus, class. Okay. Can remember? Octopus. Okay, octopus. That day teacher got teach you, right? This one is what? N for what class? Remember or not? N for some more. N for some more. N for ninja. You have the ninja? Where is
green color, blue color.
ninja? You have the ninja, the green color one. You color the N. Ninja. Okay? N for ninja. Okay, that day you'll do N. N for moose. Okay, N for moose. N for ninja. O for octopus. Okay, O for octopus. Okay. Moose. M for moose. Okay. Okay, y'all can keep your color first. All of you can keep your color. Okay, you like to see octopus? Yes, I like to see octopus. I like to see octopus. Okay, when you go to the sea, you ask your daddy, Daddy, can I see the octopus? You see the big octopus. Wow, very colorful one. Okay, so octopus got tentacles. This one got 8. 8. We got 2 hands, 2 legs. Okay, we have 2 hands, 2 legs. But the octopus got 8 tentacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tentacles. Okay. So this one you can keep. You can play. Okay, you can play like this. Shake like this. Okay, you can do like this. Okay, you can shake. Okay, you can play with the water. Okay, this one example water. Okay, teacher put. Okay, now it's wake up, then it's go like this, can go like this. Now it's swimming. Okay, it's swim. Okay, it can swim. You see how the octopus swim. You see? Inside the water, it can go up. Then it can go down. Okay. Okay, can understand class? O for what? O for octopus. O. Okay, the letter O is like this. O. Okay, O. Circle one. O for octopus. Okay, now I want you keep inside your book. Okay, book. Keep inside your plastic. Okay, you put together inside your plastic, class. Yes, together. Okay. Together you put inside your plastic. Okay, this one others all keep. Others all you must keep. Okay. We done letter O. Okay, next week we go to the letter P. Okay, next week go to letter P. Now we done today. We done letter O. O for octopus. Okay. Okay, you put your octopus inside. Okay. Octopus now you can keep inside. Like this. Can see? Can see teacher octopus? Go down, go down, go down. Okay, you keep like this. Okay, you can keep like this. October. You can take okay, you can keep your octopus, okay. Today you learn letter O for octopus, okay. Can understand? Can class? Okay. Now we finish ready, okay? No more, we finish letter O for octopus, okay? O for octopus, okay? Can remember class? O for octopus, okay? Your pencil, color, everything you can keep ready, color, pencil, pen, everything you can keep ready, okay? Color all can keep, Okay. Thank you, class. Okay.